Today I'm going to show you how to bore or true the jaws up on a Mid-America Pro Series Q Lathe. This process can be done on pretty much any 3 or 4 jaw scroll type chuck on a Q lathe, plus many other lathes. When I begin, I like to get a reference point to see how far I'm out. What I'll do is I'll take a precision ground dowel, I like a 1/2 inch diameter, and I'll chuck it up, and then I'll take my dial indicator and rotate the chuck to see exactly how much the chuck is running out. These precision ground dowels are run pretty true. You can get them pretty cheap on Amazon or Zorro, Granger, McMaster, plenty of places. I just replaced the chuck on this headstock, and it looks like it's got about 5 thousandths run out. Before you can bore the jaws, you have to secure the chuck while you're boring them. I take a piece of scrap Juma, this is about 1 inch diameter, and I'll lock it down behind the actual soft jaws onto the steel scroll part, just to hold everything in place. Now we'll grab a boring bar, usually the bigger the better, that way it's more rigid. Load it into the machine, and I'll run it in between the jaws and get the chuck spinning. I'll back the boring bar out until I just hear it make contact with the chuck jaws. From here, we'll take and bore the full depth of the jaws, taking the lightest cut that we possibly can, and try to be as smooth as possible. That way you'll get a good finish on your cut. Now we'll remove our piece of Juma from the back, and we'll take our ground dowel, reinstall it in the jaws, put the indicator back on it and see how we did. Looks like we did pretty good on this one. Thing's running less than 1/2 thousandths run out. This is probably the best that you'll get one. You can see it even with the chuck spinning, it's pretty much dead perfect. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.